Coffee with Scruff is a little different this week. We're just back from Scruff in the Sun, where the squad and I went over to Benidorm, and there's a few of the members came into a classroom, showed them exactly what the score is, and I'm just going to show you some highlights of the trip. So let's roll the intro and get into it. And a warm welcome, one and all. This video is going to be a bit bitty. I'm not a filmmaker, so if you're here for a glossy vlog or anything like that, sadly going to be disappointed. But if you want to see what we got up to when we're over in Benidorm, it's going to be stop and start, video inserts, some pictures, and just the adventures, what we got up to. Let's have a look.
I'm behind you.
Okay, boys and girls, we've made it. We're at the Solana. That's right, Solpekkiakis or whatever it's called, but the Solana from the TV show. Winky, what do you think of this place so far?
It's fine, yeah.
It's fine.
We need to explore a bit.
We need to explore a bit. It's not fine, it's shit. I like sandals, but it'll do. Do you want a quick room tour? Shall I show you what you get? Here, let's have a little look, shall we? Flick this round. There we go. Hello, Winky.
Hello.
Yeah. Do you know why I don't like the room?
You don't.
Well, it's not that I don't like the room. I do like the room. It's because look at the bed. It's got a big split down the middle. You know, just there. Look, split. Now I'll guarantee I know who's going to fall down that, and it'll not be you. It'll be me with my fat ass.
You ding dong!
And why is that? Because she's only got a little ass. Bend over, show everyone. No, I'm saying you've got a little ass. Isn't that a compliment for a woman? Is that a compliment for a woman? Yeah, it's for your ass. Have a look in the bathroom. Eh? Yeah. Let's have a little look in here, shall we? Well, what can you say? To be honest, it's a bathroom, but it's all right. You know, it does its job. Just what you want. Well, it just means you can like have a shit in the shower. Let's go back round and see the window, eh? So, but the one thing that I do like, but let's be honest, we're on holiday of sorts, because what we're going to be doing is we're having a conference out here with the Scruffy Squad. They'll be along soon, and hopefully we'll have a jolly old time of things. But look at this. Have a look at the view that we've got. It's great. There's the famous pool from the TV show right outside our window. How good is that? We'll do a little bit of filming while we're doing the classroom for the Scruffy Squad, and that's why we're here. Just why not? Instead of the rain and the wind at home, we're going to be in a lovely hotel just 15 minutes away at Conference Centre Hotel. Book that for the guys. We're going to go there, have a classroom, have something nice to eat, and a few beers. So, Winky, what do you think of Benidorm? Is it good?
Oh yes.
Oh yes.
Oh yes.
But what you really said is, what a fucking liberty. So it's the morning after the night before. We had a great time with the squad last night, but we're now off up to the hotel to get ready for the meeting. Okay, boys and girls, big day for the meeting today. Just coming up to the hotel, meet the guys, and we're going to have a jolly old time of things. But I think first of all, we've got to do the one thing that's right, and that is
A coffee.
get a coffee. Because we all know Scruffy likes a coffee. the love of my life. She's sorted it out already. What have you got there, sweetheart? What was that? I missed it. You've got the coffee. You've got the legs for it as well. Absolutely fantastic. Okay guys, big day's here. Super excited to see this. The guys will be coming along soon. The room is spectacular. It's nicely laid out. Big projector, as you can see in the background. It's all laid out like a classroom, ready for the guys coming along. We've got little Winker there, busying away, making certain everything's going to be right, because without her, none of this would happen. She is really the backbone of what's going on here. She's organised everything, hotels, the lot, so you've got to hand it to her. She genuinely is. And when it comes to trading, and if it's a bit echoey, I do apologise, because it's a whopping big room that we're in. Your partner, believe it or not, is probably as much to do with your trading as you are. Now, some people forget that, because what we do is essentially quite difficult. In fact, it's very difficult. And if you haven't got the strength of a loved one to help you on that journey, the emotional side of it is horrendous. But for me, that woman over there, and we'll have a quick look, see if she can get into shot. There she is, love of my life. I couldn't do what I do without her. I genuinely can't. And I know you see us like hinge and bracket all the time together, but the biggest part of my trading plan is making her happy. That gives me focus. If I've got focus, I know what I'm looking for. So let's see if we can focus on this event. Super excited. Off we start. Everybody happy? Everybody got what they need? Got a cup of coffee? Because we all know Scruffy likes a coffee. I've got mine as well. Well done, boys and girls. Well, what I'm going to do, I do apologise for the echoing, because it is quite a big room to fill. But if we had any more pies in the pizza shop, we might have filled it ourselves. But anyway, I'm going to take you through some slides. It's quite intimate today because it's just us. So if you're stuck, stop. You're not disturbing anybody, and we can go through it. This morning, we're just going to go through the slides. Just a few minutes, 10, 15 minutes or so. It leads us into the river. I'll go through the river in detail. Again, if you don't understand it, stop. We go through it. We're going to have a break in the garden. We're going to lay on some coffees and some pastries for us. And then in the afternoon, it's not slides, we'll pull up any live chart you want. We're going to build it together, but I'm going to build it up in stages so that you can go, well, this is the monthly chart. This is why we're using a monthly chart, right the way down into a trigger, how you get in. And that's the plan. Everybody happy with that? Okay. Don't be afraid to ask any questions. You know, as they say where I live, shy bairns getting out. Right, boys and girls, it could get messy now because Perry's turned up, and we definitely, and looking at him, we definitely need to get to the cakes first, because he's had a few more than me.
I've had breakfast as well, like this one.
Well, actually McDonald's was shut. I was devastated, so it was a bad choice coming here. But we've got the little one here who has to go get a cake first. Because you are little.
Look at the size.
I mean, look at you like a twiglet compared to
you, what are you
I'm built for
Right,
speed.
right. Look at this, right? I'm built for comfort. He's built for speed.
Not overly tall, you know.
And if you look around there, she's built to be a sex toy.
You dirty old man.
Well, boys and girls, so Stuart, what do you think of it so far?
Amazing.
Amazing, really. You enjoying it?
Yeah, I'm enjoying it, yeah.
And what he's talking about, boys and girls, it's not the talk, it's actually just the cakes. And we've got here first because when the gannets turn here, there'll be nothing left. But seriously, how's the talk so far?
Really good, yeah. Going over some swing strategies and in a minute, and then on to madness and others. It's really good.
Super.
Extra information.
Keep asking the questions, because trust me, boys and girls, you don't get this with Seka. I shouldn't say that, really. We're actually going wild running later. That'll be into the bar. There they go. Look at them. There's not one of them offered me a coffee. They're straight in.
I'm doing you one again.
Look, they've ate all the biscuits already. But no, we've got a lovely spread on for them. It's superb.
I'd buy that for $1.
Pull it behind the moving average. You've got it, which is here. Or you can do it with a pip count, every 50 pips. And then you just let it run, open-ended. Okay, boys and girls, I'm knackered. It's been a long old day, and all I can say to these wonderful guys is thank you for being part of this. Has it been good? Excellent. Yeah. Tell the truth, it was crap. And we were going to do a little bit of wild running, you know, and then I was going to show the guys how to make 100 grand. Do you want to go wild running? No. No? They wanted 100 grand up. Shall we have a wild run into the pub?
Yeah, okay.
If that shit's on her head, I'll be hilarious. Okay, boys and girls, last day of the holiday. How have you liked it?
It's been good, yeah.
And has it really been a holiday? Because we've been working all the way through. It was Scruff in the Sun 24. I think it's been a resounding success. Do you think it's been good?
It has, yes. Everyone
it?
seemed to enjoy it.
Everyone seemed to enjoy it. More importantly, did you enjoy it?
I did actually, yeah.
Yeah, the guys were buzzing. As you've seen through the video we've just done, absolutely superb. We're looking to do it in the same location next year. If you think you want to see it and see the video content, etc., drop in the comments Scruff25, and if you want to come, you're more than welcome. The hotel was fantastic. We had a jolly nightlife because we all got together, and I can honestly say the guys made a very fat old man very proud. But more importantly, little Winky here made my day. You did. She was the star of the show, boys and girls. And why? Because she was hitting the shots in the club with them lot.
Come on, you little pisshead. Go on, off you go. Down in and walk up here. Whee!
It was ridiculous. But this place is wonderful. If you've never been to Benidorm before, I would definitely recommend coming. It's grown on us so much. So at the end of it all, do you think it's an Oh, yes.
Yes.
So as always, boys and girls, trade well, keep your risk managed, but above all, do what you love and the money will follow. But on an end note, let's see if we can see you in the sun this time next year.